Luckily, the water here is free. Oh my gosh. This is really good. I can sell this. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another video. Hey! So I came across this video the other day of how this person survived for $1 a day. And I was like, how is this even possible? And I was like, you know what? If they manage to do it, I'ma do it. I'm here in Oslo, Norway, doing an Oslo vlog again. And I also want to show you guys how expensive it is to be living in Oslo, Norway. By the way, I'm not making this video to make fun of people who can only afford to eat €1 or $1 a day. Okay, I'm just doing it as an experiment. I have some few kroners over here. This is what Norwegian kroner coins look like. I also want to find out how much is the conversion of euros to kroners. Google said that €1 is equivalent to 9.96 Norwegian krone. Luckily, I have like 15. I'm not sure if I will exceed, but I will try as much as possible to just use 10 kroners. There's a lot of questions that goes to my head right now. Will I survive? Will there be rice? Will I exceed the budget? Will I starve? Changed into my shopping outfit. Still look trash. By the way, also here in Europe, you have to bring your own bag. Be eco-friendly like that. If you buy their plastic bag, it will cost about 1 or 2 kroners. Budget. This one is 10 kroners, €1 for this. I think what's best option is buy.
At this point, I already know that some people are actually looking at me while I was inside the store because it took me a while for me to be there and I actually didn't buy anything. Maybe that's the reason why they probably thought that I was stealing. It's just that I don't have enough money to buy their food.
I think the best option is buying a pasta and noodles so that, you know, I will still get full, but it's not as nutritious because right now, like, 4 donuts is for 10 kroners. Let's see how it goes. I found this one for 5 kroners. I don't want to be eating this the entire day. Yeah, we'll see about that. Ideally, I would buy this one, but this one is cheaper. It's 13, so this is 17. This one is 13, but this one is a great deal, but most likely it's not as good as these ones, so but you know what, can't complain. Probably in Spain it will be so much easier, but here the prices are ridiculous. It's either I'm gonna starve or I will eat unhealthy meals. I really wish someone will text me right now and tell me, hey, you can come over to my place, I can give you free food. But no, it's already like 12. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. So there are 4 different kinds of groceries here in Oslo. Number 1 is Many. They do serve quality products, but it's the most expensive one. Second is Rema 100, but we don't have that in our area. Third one is Bunnpris. Now, a lot of Norwegians said that it's the cheapest one. Good thing I went to Kiwi after Bunnpris. Some of the same items that they have in Bunnpris has like 4 to 5 kroners less. Luckily, I don't have to pay for the plastic bag, or else that's another 1 or 2 kroners. These are the 2 items that I only got. I know it's not as much, but you know what? For a girl who eats a lot, this is good enough. I can probably eat this until tomorrow. Since I'm the type of person who eats frequently, this is the best option. Actually battling if I should get the 5 kroners, which is only 1 piece of noodles, but this one is 4. First things first is cooking the noodles. I'm just gonna use 1 noodles for now. There's one thing that I need to let you guys know, that this has wax. They most likely used wax as a preservative. That is why I boil my egg noodles. Okay, noodles. There you go. The reason why I did this is to remove the wax that the egg noodles has. Butter. Right now, I'm just experimenting everything that I'm doing. Now it's time to add the egg noodles. Beautiful! Time for the verdict. Oh my gosh. It's not that bad. I think the garlic and the onion definitely adds up flavor to the sauce. It's quite a lot, as you can see. Actually, it kind of looks like dried Asian noodles. This is really good. I can sell this. For real though. Luckily, the water here is free. This is a lot. This is the type of meal that I would definitely do if I was still a student. These are definitely the types of food that will make your stomach full easily, no doubt. I would be so happy if I can survive for $1 a day and eat good meal. You know that feeling of being super sleepy after you eat? That's what I'm feeling right now. This is Esther. Say
Esther, say hi.
hello. Hi. Fresh grapes.
Fresh grapes.
Pretty, very pretty.
Come to visit Tante Bill.
Hello.
Show your car.
What's that?
Like a Bill is car.
Bill. Okay. Now I know. Bill. Can I see that, Daniel? Can I see that? What's that? Me going to the Philippines. They invited me for dinner. Thank you. Of course, there's rice.
Kami lang, naghanap ako nung kasali sa place ko,
He's happy again. He was about to cry. Come, Daniel. Good morning, everyone. I'm still living on €1 a day for 24 hours challenge. Not gonna lie, I got kind of hungry last night, so I just slept it off. Also, can I just say that I have a Filipina neighbor who's apparently a subscriber of mine. She's like living 3 buildings away from me. 3 or 2 buildings away from me. How crazy is that? And she messaged me yesterday if I want to have dinner with her family, and they were super nice to me. I get to play with her kids. For breakfast today, I'm gonna eat the same thing, but not really. I think what I'm gonna do is try to make ramen, and probably a lot of Japanese people might hate me when they see this. Just to let you know, I am trying my best to live on €1 a day here in Norway. Without further ado, let's get cooking. This is what I made the other day. I made chicken bouillon. I don't know if this is counted as cheating. I will get 1 small slice of chicken. I also want to eat vegetables, but I can't afford it right now. We have the ingredients. I just think that just because you buy cheap food, it doesn't necessarily have to taste awful. So I'm gonna spice it up for you guys. I'm gonna put onion and garlic. This is the chicken that I made the other day, but apparently I forgot that I made this when I decided yesterday to make that living on €1 a day for 24 hours challenge. But it is still good. I can eat this for lunch later after I'm done with the challenge, and also for dinner time. So now what I'm gonna do is like shred it into like tiny pieces. Just because you have inexpensive ingredients, it doesn't mean that you have to eat shitty food as well. So adding the garlic. The thing that I notice about buying in Norwegian grocery stores is that you don't have the liberty to buy, let's say, 1 piece of egg only. Here you have to buy wholesale. I think it's also a good thing in terms of packaging. After about 8 minutes, I think my egg noodles is almost done. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, strain it first just to remove the wax. Wax is not supposed to be edible, so this is starting to be like a cooking show also. This is going to be my first time to make a ramen out of tomato sauce. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this This is like tomato soup with noodles and chicken. I usually like to use soy sauce as an alternative for salt. Ta-da-da-da. Let's see how it goes. Not bad. What I ate yesterday and this one tastes exactly the same because I use the same ingredients. I just want to say that there are a lot of people out there or families out there that are living on €1 or $1 a day. Like, I don't know how doing this challenge made me realize how sometimes I tend to forget the amount of money that I use for food. And here I am struggling to find a meal that I can live on for €1 or $1. I think being creative on what you cook and how you find food can go a long way. Like yesterday, someone gave me free food. It's not every day that I get free food, but I'm also thankful that someone is living nearby the apartment who gave me free food. If you're on a budget, buying like egg noodles or maybe rice can go a long way because eating carbs can give you a lot of energy. The soup definitely adds up more volume. Even if you don't have much, it will definitely make your stomach full. I will probably cook this. No joke. No joke. No joke. Why did I just have that accent? What the heck? The soy sauce definitely adds up flavor to the tomato sauce and it works really well. Yum. Alright, you guys, I think this ends my living on €1 a day for 24-hour challenge. Please press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to Avelovinit and press the bell button to get notified every time I post a new travel vlog. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! I'm gonna eat this more.